Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI Minds, the place where technology meets creativity. If you've ever wanted to make your videos understandable to people all over the world without spending hours translating or editing, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into RecCloud's AI Video Translator, an advanced tool that uses artificial intelligence to automatically translate your videos into multiple languages, complete with subtitles and natural-sounding voiceovers. Imagine this. You upload a video in English, and within minutes, you have versions in Arabic, Chinese, French, or Japanese, all perfectly timed and ready to share. No translators, no manual editing, just pure AI magic. Let's explore how it works and why it's one of the best tools available for creators today. RecCloud Dashboard Overview. Once you visit RecCloud.com, you'll see a simple and professional interface. Create a free account, and you'll enter a dashboard filled with powerful AI tools. Everything from speech to text and translation to subtitle generation and video summarization. RecCloud runs on Windows, Android, and iOS, so you can use it on almost any device, anytime. AI Video Translator. Now let's first talk about the feature that truly makes RecCloud special, the AI Video Translator. This isn't just a subtitle maker, it's a full AI-powered localization engine that helps your content speak any language across the globe. Here's how it works. This is the RecCloud AI Video Translator interface. Here you can translate your videos into multiple languages completely online. Just drag and drop your video file into the box or click the Browse button to upload. RecCloud supports all popular video and audio formats like MP4, MOV, WEBM, and MP3. You can upload videos up to 4 gigabytes in size or 3 hours in length. After uploading your video, you'll see this translation panel. You can select between options like subtitles only, dubbing, or both together. RecCloud automatically detects the source language and lets you choose the target language for translation. It supports a wide range of languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, French, German, and many more. Simply select your preferred language. There are also smart features such as adaptive video duration, speaker identification, and the option to remove original subtitles. In the voice settings section, you can choose from a variety of AI voices to match the tone and style of your video. RecCloud offers multiple options, male, female, and even child voices, each with unique accents and tones. You can preview and select the one that best fits your content.
Nuestra herramienta de texto a voz con IA es una herramienta sobresaliente.
Here, I'm translating this video into Spanish and selecting the voice name Faisal, setting the volume to 100% for clear and natural audio output. These realistic AI voices make your translated videos sound authentic and professional. Once everything is ready, just click on Translate Now, and the AI instantly begins creating your translated version with accurate subtitles and realistic voice dubbing. When the translation process is complete, RecCloud shows you this preview screen. Here you can review every line of text side by side, the original dialogue on the left and the translated version on the right. You can scroll through the timeline, make quick corrections, or adjust subtitle timing if needed. As the video plays, you'll see how each translated line appears perfectly in sync with the speaker's voice. The Find and Replace tool helps you quickly locate or edit specific words within your subtitles. Just type the text you want to find, click Next, and RecCloud highlights every match so you can easily replace or refine lines. In the subtitle settings, you can adjust the font, size, color, and position to match your video style. Here, I'm using Open Sans with a 54-pixel size and a black background for a clean, professional look. These options make your subtitles easy to read and visually appealing. In the Speaker Management section, you can select your preferred AI voice and adjust the volume as needed. Changing the voice will automatically update all audio and may add extra charges based on duration, 4 credits per minute.
Yo llamaría a estas habilidades profesionales. Este es el tipo de conjunto de habilidades por las que tu empleador te está pagando. Cierto.
Start your own business because you're on a high-earning career trajectory.
After reviewing your subtitles and voiceover, it's time to export your final video. RecCloud gives you 3 export options. You can download the full translated video with both subtitles and dubbing, export only the audio track in the selected language, or export just the subtitle file. Here we'll select translated video and click on Export Video in MP4 format. The AI then processes and prepares your final video, fully translated and ready to share with your audience.
Es porque tú, directa o indirectamente, le generas más dinero del que le cuesta contratarte.
AI speech to text. Let's explore another powerful feature of RecCloud, the AI speech to text tool. Here you can upload or drag your audio and video files to automatically convert spoken words into accurate text. It also offers options to identify different speakers and choose from summary styles like detailed, concise, or business format. This tool is perfect for creating transcripts, meeting notes, or subtitles quickly and efficiently. Clicking Generate and the AI processes your file and displays the full transcription on the left side of the screen. On the right side, RecCloud provides a smart summary with key points extracted from the conversation, along with different summary styles such as detailed or concise. This makes it easy to understand long audio files instantly and pull out the most important insights. AI Audio and Video Summarizer. Now let's take a look at the AI Audio and Video Summarizer. This tool allows you to upload media directly from your device, the cloud, or even paste a YouTube link. Simply paste your YouTube link in the box and click on Summary. RecCloud instantly analyzes the entire video and generates a detailed summary on the right side of the screen. You'll also see the full transcript below the video, allowing you to review or copy any section you need. This feature helps you quickly understand long videos, extract key insights, and save time without watching the entire content. And that wraps up our in-depth look at RecCloud's AI Video Translator and its powerful suite of tools. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a marketer, or a business owner, this platform helps you translate, subtitle, dub, summarize, and generate videos, all in one place. If you want your content to go global, RecCloud is one of the smartest and most affordable ways to make it happen. Check out the link in the description to try it yourself. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another AI innovation here on AI Minds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.